Hi there! So many of you asked me where you can find the hair padding puff or hair pillow, which I used in the video for fine and thin hair with my friend Anne. I will put the link of the video down below in the description box so you can find it just in case you haven't seen it yet. Your requests made me think about, actually I can make a video to show you how you can do your hair pillows by yourself. So before I start with my hair padding puffs, let me introduce myself. My name is Karin. I'm a hair and makeup artist with 30 years of experience working in photo studios for advertisement and editorial. I will show you a classical hair pillow filled with synthetic hair. I like to use one which is crept. If I use the straight one, it's too strong, and this one is smooth and soft, and I can form it the way I want to have it. You get it in the beauty supply or hair shops. Of course, the color you have to choose. If you're very blonde, you take a lighter one. If you're dark, you take a darker color. You can choose. They have plenty of colors. You have the hair. Now we need hair nets, because I will put hair nets around the hair, because if you just use it like this, it will fall apart. You have to have something to fix it. First of all, you have to decide which form you want to have. You want to have it more in a banana shape. If you have a French twist, you bring the hair over, then you need a longer form. I do the classical pillow, square pillow. For this I use this hairnet, which is in a blonde color. First you bring the hair in the form you want to have it, and then just pull the hairnet over. Now you have this little packet. It's too loose. It will not be stable if you fix your hair in this pillow. So you make it tighter. So for that you pull the net and you bring the hair to one corner of the net, and then you roll the hair into the net and pull it over. Now it's more long, but you can bring it into the square form again. Push there, pull there, and then you have already the hair padding. So one way to fix this in your hair is with a bobby pin. Just grab half of the pillow, half of your hair, and fix it. So the original hair pillow has this comb on, and I can show you how you make this. I use these combs, and you know what? I give you a trick. You see it's bended like this. When you put it in, bend it like this, and then put it in your hair. If you leave it, then it goes back to be round and it stays tighter. So if you want to have this on your hair pillow, you just sew it on. Be careful, you have to sew it on like this, not like this, because then you can't really put it in your hair. It will not stay. You just have to do a few stitches, and then it's fine already. Now you can bring it in your hair, go in your hair, and then it stays really safe, and then you can bring your hair over. If you have very, very fine hair and you have the experience that combs slip out, I would suggest to use these toupet clips. They're very small, very petite, and you clip them, and you can sew them on as well on your hair pillow. Maybe this will give you more safety. You have to try it. So we have the classical hair pillow. My part is done now. Now it's your turn. And please let me know how it worked down below in the comments. If you liked it, please give me a thumb up and subscribe. For today I say thank you so much for watching, and bye. See you next time.